What's up guys, it's Albert from Muffin Group. I was inspired to make this short video by you guys. Watching how weird and unexpected you can get errors, especially in the BeBuilder after any theme update, I decided to share these tips with you. I am well aware of how frustrating such unexpected errors can be, so let's jump right in. Browser cache. Today's browsers can ruin our nerves, and it's all because they cache what they can and whenever they can. On one hand, this is quite correct behavior, but on the other, they can cause many problems during, for example, updating. Let's say we're updating such WordPress theme, which contains lots of JS, CSS, etc. files. And suddenly, after such theme update, we're experiencing an unexpected issue where, for example, Builder is not loading correctly. It's because, from now on, browser is trying to use older JS or CSS files that has been cached in the past, and other files directly from server that has never been cached. That's when config occurs. Then, we should clear the cache in the browser. I will show you how to do this in Chrome, but this works similar for other browsers like Safari or Firefox. So go to the settings and under Privacy and Security tab, click Clear Browsing Data. If you want to be sure that cache have been cleared correctly, you should choose All Time for Time Range option. And because we want to clear cache files only, please uncheck both options above, browsing history and cookies and other site data. The other method is to install Clear Cache extension for browser. For that, just go to the Manage Extensions and find the right extension. I use this one, and it works very well for me. From now on, whenever you expect issue that might be related with browser cache, all you have to do is click on that Clear Cache icon located next to the browser search bar. Disable all third-party plugins. Some third-party plugins may cause issues because they can also cache files. That's why it's so important to disable all of them, even if only for a moment, to check if the problem we encounter will go away. For this purpose, go to Plugins, Install Plugins, check all plugins that didn't come with the theme, and choose the Activate action. Now, we can check if the problem is solved. If yes, you can re-enable plugins to check if the error you were experiencing was caused temporarily by deleted files, or maybe the problem is related to incompatibility with one of the plugins. Cache add-ons. Another reason that can cause unexpected errors are cache add-ons. It can be either a plugin or an add-on directly on the server side. Regardless of what it is, you should immediately disable such a tool and check if the problem doesn't occur. In most cases, you should be able to disable such a tool yourself, but you may also need the help of a server administrator. Services like Cloudflare. In some cases, the occurrence of unexpected errors may be affected by external services for securing services such as Cloudflare. It is worth remembering about it, because some people forget or do not even know that the person who built their website placed it behind such a solution. These types of tools can cache files quite hard and for a long time. Therefore, manual integration of the person responsible for the settings on the side of the tool may be required. Up to date. The last thing I would like to mention is to make sure that theme, plugins you use and WordPress are up to date. It's crucial, as in some cases, outdated add-ons can have a bigger impact on how our site works than we think. I hope these tips would help most of you with unexpected issues. And as always, thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, I suggest to watch another video where I spoken about the major performance update for BeTheme and BeBuilder. And remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we release a new video. And if you have more questions, please visit our support center at support.muffingroup.com.